All right, well, it was a pretty hot day to be working in the garage here. It's about 90 out and about 90% humidity, so. And with the Axman Anderson over there running, it's closer to 100 in the garage, even with the doors open. But anyway, we did manage to get some more alignment stuff done. I ended up making this gadget here, which we use to measure the toe. And I know I said the toe was good before, but we had the engine dropped down for first when we changed the cam last year, which, you know, you unbolted all the suspension and everything. That still shouldn't have changed the toe. And when we pulled the flywheel and clutch off of it last year too, we had to drop the engine down. But anyway, the strange thing is, I figured I'd put this together and just check the front, mainly put it together because it's really the only way you can do the back. Basically, you slide this under the car, and then you get this up against one tire, and then on that side you measure how close this face of this nut is to the other tire, and that gives you a measurement of your toe. You do it on the front. Basically, I did it. It came right about here on the front tire, and then you measure. You put it under the car and get it back here, and you measure there. And the difference is how much toe in or toe out you have. Turned out we had about 9/16 of toe out on the front, which isn't good. I'm surprised it drove as well as it did. So now we've got it to 1/32 towed in, so it's pretty near straight on, just a slight bit of toe in. And didn't get a chance to get it up in the air or make any of the camber or caster adjustments or anything. But the really bad news is the rear. The rear is camber on the left side. Rear is minus 0.5 degrees, which is okay. The right rear is plus 1/4 of a degree. That's not good. And it's got 6/16, so basically 3/8 toe in, which also isn't that good. So yeah, we've got some adjusting to do in the back. I have to remember what all the bits are in the back that you adjust and what they do. I know you have a ride height adjustment, you have a camber adjustment, and a toe adjustment in the back. And yeah, well, we'll be looking into that later in the week and seeing what we can do to get it straightened out. The back is a little tricky to get, especially. I don't even think you can do it with the car on the ground. You got to unweight it somehow to do the adjustment. But you know, you have to do the same thing for the camber in the front. And what I decided to do on the camber is I'm just gonna first adjust the camber and then check the caster again, and we'll see how that works out. So unfortunately, that means we're not getting to put our pretty wheels and tires on this weekend. Hopefully we can get all this done by next weekend, and we can move on to better things. For anybody who's curious about the chicken, chicken's still there. That's where she roosts at night. I don't know why, but she does. She desperately wants to come in the garage, but I don't want her in the garage. because she poops all over everything. But hey, that's the life of a chicken. I mean, she's not my chicken. She just sleeps there. As soon as the sun comes up, she heads over to the neighbor's place. As soon as it starts getting close to sundown, she comes back here. I have no idea why. Well, that's where we are with this for the weekend. I don't know if we're going to accomplish anything on it tomorrow. It's supposed to be even hotter tomorrow, so the summertime, we kind of get limited on what we can do out here. Okay, well, that's it.